it up, making the strong stuff for buildings and such. The sun is up, let's get to work now.
Round and round the mixer spins, pouring concrete, work begins. Cement mixer, big and strong, mixing all day long. At the site, so early dawn, trucks and diggers all roll on. Mixer hums a steady song, swish, swash, swish, all day long. Sand and gravel, water too, add cement, the job to do. Spin it, turn it, make it blend. Mixer's work will never end. Swish, swirl, spin around, listen to that mixing sound. Round and round, it never stops. Pour the mix, plop, plop, plop. Bulldozer pushes, roller rolls, mixer fills the building holes. Teamwork makes the work complete. Busy trucks on every street, open the chute, down it flows. Concrete smooth and steady goes. Builders shout, that's just right. Mixer smiles, job done tight. After work, it's cleaning time. Water swirls and wheels all shine. Mixer hums a gentle tune. See you again real soon. Red and yellow, blue and green. Mixes bright and super clean. Whir and spin, the sound so neat. Music of the building street. One load, two loads, maybe three. How much work can one truck be? 4 and 5 still rolling strong. Mixing concrete all day long. Sun goes down, the job is done. Cement mixer had such fun. Round and round, then quiet too. Tomorrow I'll mix more for